Hello everyone, my name is Luisa Aprilia Soles Harfiana, and in this video I'm going to discuss about the sounds of English, focusing on two important vowel sounds. It's a and e. These sounds are very common, but sometimes they can be a little tricky for learners to pronounce correctly. Understanding how to produce these sounds can really improve your pronunciation and help you sound more natural when speaking English. So, let's explore what these sounds are, how to pronounce them, and how they are used in different words and contexts. First, the sound eh. Let's begin with how to pronounce it. Ah, ah. This sound is called a short front open vowel. To pronounce ah, open your mouth wide, almost like you're smiling, and place your tongue low and towards the front of your mouth. The lips are slightly spread, and you should feel your mouth open much wider than in other vowel sounds. The S sound is found in words such as C-A-T, cat, M-A-N, man, A-P-P-L-E, apple, H-A-T, hat, B-A-G, back. Try to notice that your mouth opens wider for a than for other vowels. For example, when you say cat, the a sound make it sound bright and open. Cat, cat. If you accidentally say it with different vowel, like e or the word might sound strange or even change meaning. In phonetics, a is known as a front low vowel because the sound is made at the front part of the mouth with the tongue in a low position. This sound appears a lot in English words, so mastering it will help you speak more clearly and naturally. The next one is the sound e. The sound is known as a short front closed vowel. To produce this sound, your tongue should be in high and near front of your mouth, but not as high or tense as in the long vowel I, like in sea or ship. Your lips should be relaxed and your mouth only slightly open. The sound can be heard in words like sit, F-I-S-H, fish, M-I-L-K, milk, B-I-G, big, S-H-I-P, ship. Notice that this sound is shorter and quicker compared to E. For example, ship, ship, and sheep, sheep are two different words. A small difference in the vowel length completely changed the meaning. One means a boat and the other one means an animal. The sound is also front vowel, but it's produced higher in the mouth than a. That's why it sounds lighter and shorter. Now, let's compare both sounds so you can hear and feel the difference. The main difference is the mouth position and tongue height. For a, your mouth is wide open and your tongue is low. For your mouth is smaller and your tongue is higher. Let's look at some pairs of words that show the contrast between these two vowels. Cat and kit. Bag and big. Man and min. Bat and bit. And that's all for my video about the sounds of English, focusing on the vowels a and e. I hope this explanation can help the other to understand and pronounce it clearly and correctly. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to keep practicing for a better pronunciation. See you. Bye bye.